In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in Evernote, whether you're adding a quick annotation, highlighting something important, or just making a visual note clearer. Evernote makes it really simple to edit images directly inside your notes. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process step by step so you can confidently make edits without leaving the app. First, open Evernote and navigate to the note that contains the image you want to edit. Give the note a second or two to fully load, especially if it has several images or attachments. Once everything is visible, look for the specific image you'd like to work with. When you've found it, move your cursor over that image and click on it once. This click is important because it tells Evernote which image you want to edit. You should see the image become selected or slightly highlighted, depending on your version of Evernote. If nothing seems to happen, try clicking again, making sure you're actually clicking on the image itself and not the area around it. After the image is selected, look for a small pen or pencil icon that appears on or just above the image. This icon represents the editing or annotation tools. In most cases, it will show up in a small toolbar that overlays the image or sits at the top edge of it. Move your cursor over that pen icon and click it. Clicking the pen icon will open Evernote's image editor or annotation window. This is where you can make changes such as drawing on the image, adding arrows or shapes, typing text, or highlighting important areas. The exact tools available might vary slightly depending on your version of Evernote, but the general idea is the same. You now have access to tools to visually mark up the image. Take a moment to explore the tools that appear around the image. You might see options for pen thickness, colors, text size, or shapes. Choose the tools that best fit what you want to communicate. For example, you could use a bright color and a rectangle to box in a key detail, or use a text tool to label a section of the image. When you're finished editing, look for a Save, Done, or Close button within the editor window. Click that, and Evernote will update the image inside your note with all of your changes. Your edited image is now part of the note, ready to be shared, reviewed, or referenced later.